got here to the meet. Little open house. We're gonna see what's going on. As you can see, someone just pulled out of here. It looked like a little WRX with a nice little Turbski. I came solo dolo because my girl didn't want to come, so you're lost, baby. I'm gonna see what's going on. I gotta charge my battery though, man, because I'm running low battery. I didn't charge my battery, man. That's a fail. All right, guys. So see you in a minute. Straighten out. I'm sure. Yeah. You and the guy with the Lexus. Yeah. My buddy in Chi-Town. Yeah. Hey. That guy, you that guy.
I like that. I was about to say.
Run it again.
Be that dude.
One more for good luck. Yeah.
One for good luck.
Hell no, don't put on Mustang around here, man. This is a track piece right here. This is yours, right? Oh, yours. Oh, my bad. It's clean, man. It's, well, not, I wouldn't say it's like a track beast. I could tell it's a track beast, man.
Yeah, it's far from clean.
Yeah. Not to say it's not, but you know what I mean.
Yeah.
It's a clean track build, it looks like, man. It looks crazy, man. What you got done to it?
WRX swap, headlights, flares, obviously, full suspension.
You take it to the track?
Yeah, I just did Road Atlanta last week.
Damn, man, I know these older WRXs, man. They're like the rally kings, dude.
It's fun. I had a bug eye that I built, and then when people started flaring these like a couple years ago, I loved them, so I parted my bug eye out and bought one.
How much do these weigh?
Last time I weighed it was like 2,600.
Damn. Yeah, that's so. It's pretty. It's like a little go-kart, man. I've always wanted a little WRX.
Working on an engine and a bigger turbo, so hopefully squeeze some more power out of it a little bit.
Yeah. That's clean, man. So what were you running again? What'd you say you had on there again?
As far as engine mods,
Yeah.
just a kited downpipe, MGK one-step colder plug, intake, exhaust.
Nice. That's a stock intercooler?
No.
Oh, it's not? Oh,
that's a ETS.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Nice. You got it all tuned and everything?
Yeah, tuned by top speed.
Sweet, man. What you pulling?
Not too much. 312, 363. That's miles.
Straight, yeah.
Numbers. Mainly meant for like track, mountains. So.
Oh yeah? Yeah, dude. I wanted to get one so bad, man. I just didn't feel like, dents in the pockets like that yet, just yet. It's an STI, right?
Yep.
Yeah, dude.
Then I got the headlights done. And who did your headlights? Dana.
It's clean, bro. Real clean. Old school blah by. What we got here? Yeah, man. This thing right here, man. It's the way to go. Good old blah blah, bro. Magic is done. Don't be that guy. Look at this.
I love it. Pain in the ass to install.
No, I work with JB Hunt.
JB Hunt?
Yes, I work with that trailer.
Crazy.
The only thing about that is...
No, I just whatever repair these and done to the trailer for chase a couple of months.
So I took it back to here to give it some more character, and then I later on added the eyelets because I have this one.
Oh, okay.
It's on running lights. I show it like that, and then when I'm in shows like night and stuff, I pull the e-brake up, put it back down, put it back up again, and the lights stay on. Especially when I'm running with the lights on, everybody checks it out, takes pictures.
It's clean, nice. It's clean. Oh, we got the RS6 with a CT supercharger. Damn, boy. Wonder what you pushing, man. What?
I was looking at a 4 Series.
You about to buy a Beamer, bro?
Oh, no.
Don't do it, man. I forgot to put you in. Get that boy Marcus just showed up, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this beam right here clean too. Then clean though. This motherfucker here though, when he put it on bags, he's on bags obviously. Man, it's clean though. This off the charts right here.
Black top.
Yeah,
Like, another color, I'll do that. The black
that little peach, the peach gloss, bro. That's a nice contrast with the white.
Yes.
See, with you got the black. So if you do something like kind of a metallic satin, and then like always keep your wheels clean.
For real, bro.
Little drop. Stupid, bro. But yeah, man.
40,000.
Bruh, I wish my work truck looked like this. I see you, bro. I see you. That shit gargling. Sound like he got some cams on there, bro. Yo, they wrapping it up over here at what is it? TheRetrofitSource.
Retro.
Them boys got them headlights on there. Look at you. I don't even know how much you can see out here.